If I ask you, please, what is this?
This is a picture.
This is a.
Picture.
Everyone has to answer me, please. Keep smiling and answer me. What is this?
This is a picture.
Exactly, this is a.
Picture.
Tell me again, please. What is this?
This is a picture.
This is a.
Picture.
That's fine. So, if I ask you, please, who is this?
This is a girl.
Exactly, this is a.
Girl.
This is a girl.
This is a girl.
Then, if I ask you again, please, who is this?
This is also a girl.
Exactly, this is also a girl.
This is also a girl.
Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you another question, that is actually how many girls are there in the picture?
There are three girls in the picture.
How many girls are there in the picture?
There are three girls in the picture.
1, 2, 3. Of course, there are 3 girls in the picture. Next question, please, you just try to tell me. Okay, if I ask you, please, do you know what is the name of the first girl? Exactly, the name of the first girl is. I'm going to repeat, please. The name of the first girl is. That's fine. Then, what is the name of the second girl? Exactly, the name of the second girl is Nusaiba. Very nice. Next one, please. What is the name of the third girl? Tell me, everyone has to tell me together, please. What is the name of the third girl? The name of the third girl is? Tell me, the name of the third girl is? Ikra, okay? So that means there are 3 girls in the picture. First one is, or the name of the first girl is Nishu, and the name of the second girl is Nusaiba, and the name of the third girl is Ikra. Okay, that's fine. Then please you tell me, what is this? This is a. You just listen. Who is this? What is this? Who is this? What is this? That means আমরা ব্যক্তির ক্ষেত্রে মানুষের ক্ষেত্রে ইউজ করব who, কিন্তু বস্তুর ক্ষেত্রে ইউজ করব কি what. So who is this? This is a girl. What is this? This is a book. Fine. Next. So what is the color of the book? I didn't get it. Please you tell me again. What is the color of the book? Exactly. It's blue in color, as like the color of my shirt. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then please, what is this?
This is a book.
No, this is also a book.
This is also a book.
Try everyone, please. What is this?
This is also a book.
Okay, so then if I ask you, please, what is the color of the book?
It's yellow in color.
It's yellow in.
Color.
Is it red in color?
No, sir.
It's yellow in color.
Yes, sir.
Last one, please. You tell me, what is it? What is this?
This is also a book.
This is also a book.
This is also a book.
So what is the color of the book?
This is green in color.
It's green in color.
It's green in color.
Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
So how many books are there in the picture?
There are 3 books in the picture.
There are.
3 books in the picture.
That's wonderful. Thank you. Next one, please. So then, please you tell me, what are, okay, there are 3 girls in the picture. So if I ask you, what are they doing in the picture? Then what are they doing in the picture? Have you got my question? I've said to you that what are they doing in the picture? ছবিতে তারা কি করছে? They are reading in the picture. Okay. Yes, they are reading books. They are reading books. Okay. Then, what types of books are they reading in the picture? They are reading
books.
what types of books? Listen, there is a name also. They are reading English books.
They are reading English books.
Tell me again, what types of books are they reading?
They are reading English.
Okay, then, do you know what is this?
This is a sofa.
This is a.
Sofa.
Have you got the lesson?
Yes, sir.
Listen, this is a picture, and there are three girls in the picture. The name of the first girl is Nishu, and the name of the second girl is Nosaiba, and the name of the third girl is Ikra. Okay, and there are also three books. One is blue in color, another one is yellow in color, and last one is green in color. Okay, so they are reading actually in the picture, and they are reading English books together. Okay, and there is a sofa. That's all about the picture. Thank you. Have you got the lesson?
Yes, sir.
So please, you can clap for the class.